Hello. Welcome my dear children to another session of biology. Hope all of you are staying safe at your home by obeying the instructions given by the health department. Always remember SMS, keep social distancing, wear double-layered mask, use sanitizer and be safe at your home. Take care of your health, take care of your parents also. Don't go outside. Okay? So let's start the class with quote by Swami Chinmayananda. Listen here. Brood less, smile more and serve all. What's the meaning of this? Yes, brood less. Never be sad for something. Never think so much. ഒരുപാട് ചിന്തിച്ച് വിഷമത്തോടെയൊന്നും ഒരുപാട് കാര്യങ്ങളെ കുറിച്ച് എപ്പോഴും അങ്ങനെ ഒരുപാട് ചിന്തിക്കാതെ ഇരിക്കുക. Smile more. That all of you know that, is it? Our school's motto itself keeps smiling. Then serve all. Dear children, try to help the society. Try to do something good for the society. Your family, relatives, is it? Friends. എല്ലാവർക്കും വേണ്ടി നല്ല കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് ശ്രമിക്കുക. So dear children, always keep this thought in your mind. And let's revise the chapter Microorganisms. Already we have revised so many times this chapter, is it? And in this chapter we have studied about microorganisms. Is it? So Karan, what do you mean by microorganisms? Yes, the organisms which we cannot see with our eyes, but we can see only with the help of a microscope. And these microorganisms are classified into groups, is it? Which are they, Videshwar? Yes, correct. Bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae, and another one is virus. Is it? Nowadays all of you are, or all of us are familiar with the virus, is it? And this virus, they have the special feature that they will be active only when they enter into the body of host organism. Is it? So these are the main groups of microorganisms. Archana, say it once more. What are the groups of microorganisms? Yes, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae. So next is, where do these microorganisms live? Is it? Dia, where do these microorganisms live? In what condition? Yes, it can live from extreme hot climate to extreme cold condition. Also, in most of all climatic conditions, it can live. And there are mainly two types of microorganisms, that is, friendly microbes and harmful microbes. Friendly microbes means, Madhav? Yes, which is helpful for human beings. And another one, harmful microbes. What is that? Abarna? Yes, which can cause harmful effects to human beings, plants, then animals. Okay, so these are the two types of microorganisms. So next is uses of friendly microbes, is it? So there are several uses by these microorganisms. That means friendly microorganisms. Listen here. First one is soil fertility. That means increase the soil fertility. Is it? The kitchen waste and garbage and all, we can convert it into compost and all. Is it? By the process of decomposition, so we can increase the soil fertility. The next one, it is used for making of curd and bread. Lactobacillus is a bacterium which convert the milk into curd. Is it? So another one is making of curd and bread. Adityan, name the bacterium which helps in the conversion of milk into curd. Yes, lactobacillus. The next one, production of alcohol and wine, that is commercial use of microorganisms. Production of alcohol and wine. Another one, medicinal use, is it? So what is the medicinal use for this microorganisms, Al-Amin? Yes, for the making of antibiotics, is it? So what do you mean by antibiotics, Neha? Yes, the medicines used to kill or stop the growth of microorganisms, is it? Can you see one example, Srinidhi? Yes, streptomycin. Another one, Sumitra? Yes, erythromycin, tetracycline. These all are the examples for antibiotics. The next one, cleaning the environment. Already we have discussed decomposition process, is it? So, microorganisms are very useful to clean the environment. So, these are the major uses of microorganisms. To increase the soil fertility, making of curd and broth, production of alcohol and wine, medicinal use, cleaning the environment. Already we have discussed about antibiotics, is it? So several precautions we have to take while using the antibiotics. First of all, take antibiotics only with the prescription of an experienced doctor. Prescription illade verde ennu poi medichu kadikkan paadilla. Then you have to complete the course, is it? You have to take the antibiotics in right doses. So these are the precautions we have to take while using antibiotics. Is it clear? So next is pathogens. What do you mean by pathogens, Parthasarathi? Yes, disease causing microorganisms. They are called pathogens. And after that we have studied about communicable diseases. Fatima, communicable diseases. Yes, the diseases which spread from an infected person to a healthy person through air, contact, water, food and all. Such diseases are called communicable diseases. Then after that we have studied about food poisoning, is it? Food must be spoiled or spoilage of food occurs with the activity of these microorganisms. It leads to severe health issues and all. That is called food poisoning. So in order to protect from food poisoning, we have to preserve the food, is it? And that method is called food preservation. Some materials we can add it to the food to protect the food or to prevent the food from the spoilage, and that materials are called preservatives. That method is called food preservation. So many food preservation methods are there. Is it? Kanida, can you say one? Yes, by adding salt. Then another one, chemical method, is it? Then by adding sugar. Salt already we have said, is it? By pickling and all. Then adding by oil and vinegar. Then hot and cold treatment, freezing and all. Then after that we have studied about pasteurization. Is it? So what do you mean by pasteurization? The milk is heated up to 70 degrees Celsius for 15 to 30 seconds and suddenly chilled. Is it? So it is a preservation method for milk. That method is called pasteurization. Is it? Then who discovered that? Anshita. Yes, Louis Pasteur. Is it clear? So dear children, I hope all of you understood the whole chapter what we have revised today. If you have any more doubts, you can text me in WhatsApp. God bless you all. Let's meet you in the next class. Thank you.